What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today, I'm very excited to announce that we received the new to us, new to me, 2011 Saab 9.5. I was not here yesterday when the car was delivered, so I am driving up to the car right now for the first time to see it, and I'm going to give you guys a full tour, and I'm really excited right now. So let's hop into this. So guys, when I gave the instructions to deliver the car, I told them to put it on the right side of the driveway, and from the pictures that I was shown and the phone call that I received, the car was on the right side of the driveway, but somewhat in the middle of the driveway. Luckily, the other Saab and my mom was able to get her car out of the garage, so everybody can go on with their day yesterday. But that was my first call yesterday morning, was this thing was blocking one of the garages. So anyways, kind of funny, but anyways, the car's been sitting. I went through the Carfax. I can go through it more. In fact, I'm probably going to call the previous shop to get more information on the car, but this car was so well maintained, guys. Whoever owned this, the last two owners of this car had regular maintenance on the car every few thousand miles, brakes checked, oil level changed constantly. I mean, this thing was really well kept, and from what it looks like, the tires are fairly new. Within the last few thousand miles, in fact, of November of 21, this car had just gotten fresh tires, I believe it said, but definitely in alignment. So I know, like, all these things were just kept on par, which is amazing to see when you buy these cars off auction. So I like to buy them off auction from an insurance company if I'm going to buy it with a branded title, which this is. And so based on that, the car's been off the road really, I think, since April or May this year. And I think the only reason why it was totaled was because the insurance company can't buy new parts or probably locate parts unless you go into being sophisticated like myself and you buy used parts. But some of these insurance companies don't support that. So the car was totaled, not because of the damage, but because of parts, even though I've already found the parts. But anyways, it just creates economy for the world and advantages for somebody like myself. Anywho, that being said, the battery is dead and the car won't start. And based on the history, the battery was last changed and replaced in 2018, which brings it at 4 years old. So it might have another year left of good life. It may need to be replaced depending on the type of battery that was put in there. But either way, based on the auction pictures, the car had power, and of course, if it's sitting for months at a time, and who knows if they left the light on or something stupid, the battery is dead. So we're gonna go in here now, shortly, and charge up the battery, and I'm gonna give the full inspection of the car. Check out the brakes. The last brake change, it looks like, it looks like the shop would record a. It looks so. What the camera just cut off there, but it looks like the brakes were serviced last time the car was serviced, which was a few months back, not that many miles ago. So I'm not sure what the status is there, but I know the tires look good from the pictures. One is a little low, but again, that's because the car's been sitting for months. And you know, the oil change I think was changed within the last 5,000 miles. So you know, man, this car just from the paper looks to be really in top shape in terms of mechanical maintenance. And obviously the little body damage, I'll give you guys a full tour here now. It should be fairly easy to address, so I'm just so excited. So let's just stop talking. I will see you at the car. Let's do it. This is so funny, guys. Look at where they dropped the car. Like, come on, man. That's the right side of the driveway, not there. There. Oh man, look at this thing. All right, so we got a flat tire. Whew. That doesn't look so bad. fill that up with air. Tire tread looks freaking brand new. Oh man, let's see here. Brakes, tire tread decent on this. All right, found one of these already, so that's already on order. Okay, tire tread in the front, not so good. Front bumper. Let's see, that thing is definitely repairable. So that's good. Man, not so bad. Okay, what do we got here? Dirt, okay. Got a little dinger here, which we can get fixed. Man, guys, look at this. This tire tread here is good. This side looks good. Mirror. Wow. Smells good in here, meaning nobody's smoked. Yeah, battery's completely dead. Man, the car's actually pretty clean, surprisingly. What is up, guys? Tire tread over here is okay. Little plastic cover for underneath the front there. Rear bumper. Got some paint wear here, but I think we can probably sand that down and repaint. Holy smokes, guys. Oh, we got some damage here. Ooh, didn't see that in the pictures, but we can probably fix that up. No big deal. Huh. Not too bad. Yeah, this we can probably we can fix this up a little bit. Wow. Huh. Alright, let's get this thing juiced up here. Alright guys, so let's open up the hood here. See what's going on underneath. Oh man, that battery looks good. It's an interstate battery, which is actually a good battery. Cool. Very cool. I wonder if this is out of place here. Well, let's check for oil. Oil is in there. Looks good. All right. Let's get this thing hooked up here. Okay. Let's see what the battery is reading. Battery voltage, 1.7 volts. That thing is completely shot, completely dead. Let's see. Let's see if there's coolant in here. I think we might have a radiator issue up there, guys. I don't see coolant in here. Yeah, I do. Never mind. Just a little low. But it looks like we need to inspect that further. This looks like it's pushed back here, guys, a little bit. Yeah, definitely kinked. All right, a little more damage than I expected, but not the end of the world, I don't believe. Let's see if we're getting power in here now. Yep, we are. That's good. Huh. Nice car. Got Bluetooth in here. Everything seems to be in nice shape. Awesome. Nice car, man. We got so lucky, guys. Holy crap. Well, definitely need to pull this bumper off here and inspect this. This has a this is pushed back. This is pushed forward a couple inches here. So I need to inspect the AC condenser. The radiator looks like it might be all right, but I definitely need to inspect, see if there's any damage there. Well, that was hidden from camera, but seeing this makes sense. So, all right, we can tackle that, guys. All right, guys, so a little update for you while I was off camera for just a moment. Got that tire pumped up. We'll see if it holds air. I got rid of all of the window paint. I still got to do that sticker, but I'll get that with a power washer. The battery is definitely needing replaced. Like I said earlier in the video, this is from 2018 based on the Carfax. So it's showing an internal short, but it is slowly gaining slow voltage. When it first started, I was getting like 1 volt, 1 amp, and now I'm at 11 amps. So it is taking some sort of charge. So maybe we can revive it, but give it a few more minutes here. In the interim, I'm gonna top off the coolant. I looked underneath the car. I didn't smell any coolant. I didn't see any remnants of coolant. So I'm hoping that the system is just a little low on coolant and that it's not leaking anywhere, but we'll find out. And then I'm gonna look for the air conditioning condenser. Here it is. Here it is. Boom, that was easy. I'm gonna plug this in real quick just to see if there's a PSI read, and that will tell me if the condenser in the front of that radiator support system is cracked or not. So this should be good. Maybe not. Maybe that's not the plug. Maybe it is. Give me a second here. Guys, the weird thing about this Saab is I've never worked on one of these GM monsters, so I'm learning kind of with you at the moment. Anyways, let's see if we can start this car up. I'm gonna top off the coolant real quick. All right, guys, topped off the coolant. Brake fluid looks good. Let's see, this is the power steering, and that looks to be good. Probably can top it off, but it looks like there's fluid in there, which is a good sign. And man, I'm gonna let this thing sit for a second, and then we're gonna jump start this car. I'm gonna take a quick second break and go order a new assembly here. I already found one that actually paint matched to the car, so I'm gonna go give them my credit card authorization, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, moment of truth here. I just ordered that driver's side assembly. I'm waiting to do the bumper to see if maybe I can repair it or find something of similar paint code. So let's see here. Let's do let's see, I'm getting amps now. It's a weird battery, so let's see if we can get this thing to start. Half a tank of gas. Okay, at least it tried. All right guys, so we did engine start here, so I gotta wait 80 seconds. So if this doesn't work, then we're gonna have to run out and grab a battery, but at least there's power going to the car. At least there's almost a half a tank of gas. So let's give this a second. Hopefully it gives it enough juice to turn over, and go from there. All right, guys, it says ready to start. All right, battery shot, but at least we can get it in neutral if we need to roll it. But let me run out and grab a battery. All right, boys, a couple easy little bolts here. Get this thing out of here. All right, guys, new battery's in. Here's our power. Press the brake. Boom. Nice. Running a little rough. There you go.
Is Home Depot the closest to this?
Yeah.
Where, East Hanover?
East Hanover, yep. All right, guys, let's see what our warning signs are. Service ESP. Open, close. Open, then close driver window. Okay. Open. Close. Open, close passenger window. Okay. Close left rear. Open and close. Open and close right rear. I've never seen this before, but it's good stuff. All right. What else we got in here? Not much. At least there's no check engine light. We have just service ESP, which we can scan it and figure that out. Engine sounds really good, guys. Nice and smooth. I don't see any coolant leaks or anything crazy. So, little tick there. I'm not sure what that is. If anybody has an idea, you guys can comment below. But nice and quiet. Tire is definitely not holding air, so we'll have to replace that. All right, guys, so we're gonna leave you off on this. Car starts. Transmission. Barely engages. It only engages when you tap the gas, so I'm not sure. Not really too sure what's causing that. So if anybody has an idea, it could be that, oh, there's a check engine light now. So that's good, we can at least read a code. So let me read the codes, but I'll save that for the next video. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully we can bring this car back to life and save it. Talk to you guys soon. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow me at Pancis. Thanks, guys. See ya.